Hello students, so welcome to PrepFlip puzzle series. Today we'll discuss our 8 puzzles. The link of all 7 puzzles will be there in the description. So let's directly move to the question. The puzzle name is meeting a person. If probability of seeing a person during lockdown at Connaught Place in 40 minutes is 0.3439, what is the probability of seeing the same person at Connaught Place in 10 minutes? So the probability of seeing the person in 40 minutes is given, and we have to figure out what is the probability of not seeing a person in 10 minutes. Okay, seeing a person in 10 minutes. So just pause the video, try to solve it by yourself in 2 minutes, and we'll move to the solution. Meanwhile, keep liking and subscribing to our channels for more puzzles video, interview preparation video, and many or placement preparation series. So let's start. Yeah, so here given the probability of seeing the person in 40 minutes is 0.343 now. So we can figure out the probability of not seeing a person in that 40 minutes. So it will be the probability of not meeting a person in 40 minutes will be 1 minus 0.3439. It will be 0.6561. So why we are going through finding probability of not finding a person in 40 minutes? Let me explain. So consider this as a period of 40 minutes. This can be divided into 10 minutes intervals. So the question is we have to find probability of seeing a person in 10 minutes. So in case we have to find probability of seeing a person in 10 minutes, so here it is given probability of seeing a person in 40 minutes. So if a person is meeting in 40 minutes, they can meet either in first minute, then P, and not meet in these 3 intervals. They can meet here and not meet in these 2 intervals. They can meet here and not meet in, and similarly they can meet in the last interval. So in case we have to find the probability of meeting a person in 40 minutes, it will be P into 1 minus P, 1 minus P, 1 minus P. Here P is probability of meeting a person in 10 minutes plus 1 minus P, P, 1 minus P, 1 minus P. So this will be a long equation. In other case, if we know the probability of not meeting a person in 40 minutes, so in that case, if a person is not meeting in 40 minutes, they are neither meeting in any of these intervals. So person is not meeting in this, not meeting in this, not meeting in this, not meeting in this. So there will be only one case. So if the probability of not meeting is a person is P dash, so we can equate P dash into P dash into P dash into P dash to the probability of not meeting in 40 minutes, that is 0.6561. So the probability of not meeting a person in 40 minutes will be equal to not meeting a person in 10 minutes into not meeting a person in next 10 minutes into not meeting a person in next 10 minutes into not meeting a person in next 10 minutes. So 0.6561 will be P4, P will be equal to 0.9. So P is the probability of not meeting a person in 10 minutes. So we have to find the probability of meeting a person in 10 minutes, that will be equal to 1 minus P is 0.1. So this was a simple probability question. In case you have to find probability of not meeting or meeting a person in 5 minutes, then similarly you can divide into 8 intervals. 8 intervals. So probability of meeting a person in 40 minutes is this. Non-meeting will be 0.6561 will be equal to P ki power 8, where P is the probability of not meeting a person in 5 minutes. And you have to if you have to find the probability of not meeting a person, of meeting a person in 5 minutes, then you can simply do 1 minus P. So this was the question asked in this year in some of the placement company. The question can be, the simpler question can be find the probability of meeting a person in 20 minutes. Similarly, you can do P square and then you can find 1 minus P. So I hope you understand the question. In case you have any query, do let me in the comment. Please like, subscribe the channel. Or if you are preparing for placement or internship in the near future, we have role-based course for you. Just visit preplif.com/P4. This is Ankit Agarwal, an alumnus of IIT Kanpur and CEO of PrepLif. Thank you.